let's try measuring angle TAG. So the angle is right here, TAG. And then this is our vertex. So let's align our center mark with the vertex. Now that it's aligned, we now have to align our baseline of the protractor with any of the legs. So you can either do it this way, okay, if you want to align with leg AT, or this way if you want to align with leg AG. Okay, so let me just fix the alignment. Center mark. Okay, there you go. Now that I have aligned the center mark as well as the baseline, I can now start reading. So always start from 0. This is 0. So we will again use the inner scale. That will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 degrees. Okay, so 150 degrees for angle tag. What if I use the other leg? So if you use the other leg, it would now look like this. So again, we start from 0. But this time, instead of using the inner scale, we will use the outer scale. So you start counting from 0 up until there. So as you can see, it's right there with 150. So any scale that you're going to use, you will still arrive at the same answer, 150 degrees, as long as you will read the measurement properly, okay, or use the correct scale.